All right, in through security. Colby and I gonna go find our gate. Literally, there was like, we were the only two in the security line. It was crazy, just because I guess Corona and everything. Rocking the mask, and Kobe's a little irritated about the mask thing, but do what you can, right? Find our gate and maybe get some food or something. Social distancing on the airplane. Head to Atlanta. So like you've probably gathered, we're back here in Florida. We've got some family that's down from Utah. We're gonna take on some of the adventures and fun, cool places we found so far this summer. This was our first day off the plane, just kind of messing around, wakeboarding a little bit. Tomorrow will be a fun one. We're going down to Weeki Wachee, which is a spring head with a nice cool river. So we'll catch you then. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you later.